What's going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Today we're going to finally be putting the front end on my car. Not the literal front end, but the bar front end. We're talking here, coming off to here, under here, which you can't see, under here, and all that. And we're gonna have Devin. He's got a channel, which I forget what's the name of the channel?
88 LSX Dakota.
88 LSX Dakota.
No,
which I'll
Turbo LS Dakota.
There you go.
That's what it is.
All right, which I'll plug right here. But he's got a pretty mean street truck, I'd say. Which we've raced before in our old car. But he's gonna be the one doing our tubing on it and welding on it. So we're gonna get it knocked out, get the garage shut, everything, and get started on it. So catch you then.
Watch your eyes. Good?
Yep. Nice.
Yep.
Leave that alone and then
Oh yeah, you
probably
rip around that. Yeah.
Tag that there and then pull this out.
Hell yeah. I'm curious how this is going to go with this pipe here. You gonna hold it?
Yeah.
Where'd you put the ground back up?
Yeah, just over there. Alright.
Yep.
Nope, burned a little hole.
It's fine. Burn a hole in my skin.
You're about to get sunburned.
That's alright.
God, even that thing fits. Look how it's notched going up. Wow.
I swear it's lower than that.
Yeah, I think.
But we can tap that down.
Yeah, we can lower that side.
Yeah, we can lower that down.
Should have started on this side
Why?
so we could get that side at the same time.
Yeah, we got a rubber mallet. It'll be alright.
Yeah, it is.
Good?
Yeah. Nice.
I'm gonna pull it over here.
Hi, Mama.
Watch your eyes, sweetie. Alright, watch your eyes. Don't look this way.
Well,
Do is just cut them across.
what's the thing about that? What's the thing about?
Well, to make the housing here, we just cut it here across here and the angles already, so it'll sit on top of that right there, perfect. And put a bolt right there and there, and round the top off, and that'll be perfect.
Yep, we got this side. Well, it ain't done, but it's
Tacked up.
chilling there. Yeah, I wouldn't even call it tacked up, but I think he got this side over here done. Mind the heat. Yeah, he got there kind of tacked. Good. But he's knocking it out. So slowly but surely, we'll get it done.
Right here, but I mean, you gotta put it right over the. Yeah. Well, if you do, it'll miss this one, right? You gotta remember that's gonna come out here.
Yeah, it's gonna miss plenty.
All right.
It'll miss plenty. So far we got
Oh yeah.
the whole thing on. All right, yeah. Besides the U under, but that's what we got so far. You're getting a call.
Gotta finish welding it.
Yeah. I mean, but it's basically on there. You just gotta. This sucker looks good. Now we just put the U on under here, and then we gotta figure out what we're doing with the turbo support. But so far so good. Devin's knocking it out. Oh, here we go. Getting the U on. All right. Everything is welded. Everything's welded. We got that bar. Everything's good. Everything's good except Devin's got to finish the weld right there. So we're gonna take the turbo kit off and get it all good. But everything, this is killer. He's done a great job. Got it all under. But like I said, so you finish that. This is good. And then Dad got these cut up. And yeah, this one. So it's gonna go in like so. Something like that. And that's how we're gonna do the motor mounts. So yeah, that's all good. Look coming. I mean, I can't be any happier. It's just, this looks so good to me. Great birthday present. But that's what we got going on, and we're gonna take that off, finish the weld there, and then we'll probably leave that off for Dad to paint and everything, because he's a wicked man with a spray can. But anyways, that's what we got. Gonna keep going on it, and it just looks good. I'm excited. I mean, no words. Dad, what do you think?
What?
What do you think?
Piece of shit. No, I'm kidding. You've done a great job. I mean, that's nice. I mean, Devin did a great job.
What do you think, Devin? You hate us yet?
I mean, it ain't bad. It ain't good.
Yes,
Good
it
enough.
is.
Pretty,
Yes, it
pretty
is.
good for us.
He did a good job.
Yeah, it looks
He
good.
did a great job. Looks nice.
Yeah, but
Just gotta clean all the welds up.
yeah,
Oh, look,
finish that
closely
one.
right here.
Paint. Look, paint will cover that off.
Paint will cover.
Oh,
Yeah, paint will
he
cover
does
all
with a
that.
Grinder and paint makes me the welder I am.
Man, roll that stuff. You won't even see it.
No, but yeah, we're gonna get this. We're gonna get this part off, and then we're gonna finish that. Call it a
And
day.
then put the
Oh yeah, finish them. Yeah.
mounts.
Yeah.
And that's it. We're done.
Yep.
All right. Everything went good though.
Coming together. That's all we can ask for. All right, it is finally done. Not that it took a long time, but it is finally done. I mean, yeah, but not like a extended amount of time. But nothing much changed. But I mean, here's the mount for our turbo. Yeah, the brace for the turbo. That's where it is. And this is all, got them all in. We just need to put the bolts in it. And this is the weld that he couldn't get. But everything turned out good, and we'll paint it, I don't know, tomorrow or sometime. And then do these bolts through there, get that done, and we'll put it right back in, and bam. But so far, great. A lot further than what we thought we were gonna do. Yeah, but thank you for welding. We almost done.
Man.
Yeah, we're all. Okay. But thank you for coming, and I don't know, I'll plug your channel again if I do forget. But
Yeah, wherever y'all got this kit from, I don't remember what company it was. But
Codion, yeah.
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 Recommend it.
Yeah, I mean, he did
right.
all this stuff right here, all the plates and everything. He even notched these right here.
Yep. Just weld it and go.
Okay.
Yeah, he did good, but
Great kit.
Yep.
yeah,
Recommend
not
it.
you though. You did great too.
Yeah. No, but he made me great.
Yeah,
Yep.
yeah. But anyways,
Okay, well, good. Get on it.
that's it for today's video.
Okay.
What do you think, Mom?
Good. I'm glad you went. Okay.
But that's it for today's video. Comment, like, and subscribe. Share it, and keep going with this thing. But I'll catch you guys in the next one. See ya.